service providers can increase exemption limit. So we start with the finance minister releasing the new budget. As you can see, the verdict is out and the new budget seems cooler for one and all. From the common man to the common woman, to everyone, to the businessman, everyone seems happy about it. Kudos to Mr. Chidambaram for making this budget a memorable one. Now to share this happiness with you, we are going to present you with some of the people. We are going to ask with the common man. We are going to start with the common man. Let's introduce the common man to you. So sir, tell me something about what you have your experience with the new budget.
What should I say? I'm very happy that the actual salary should limited has been increased from 1,10,000 to 1,15,000. This provide me with a savings for 4,000 to up to 45,000. It provides savings 44% in my tax. Thank you, Mr. Chidambaram.
Thank you, sir. Now let's talk to a common woman. So how do you feel, ma'am, about the new budget?
Oh, I feel very good. Mr. Chidambaram has raised the limit of taxable salary to rupees 1.80 lakhs. That means I can save more money from rupees 6,695 up to rupees 44,800. That means I can buy more cosmetic products, dresses, and a lot of things. Mr. Chidambaram is so conscious of women empowerment. Thank you.
That was nice to hear. That was nice to hear. Now let's introduce you to a senior citizen. How do you feel, sir?
Yes, I feel good. In this scheme, one can insure their old parents and get a deduction of rupees 15,000 or more 20,000. You know, my son left me 5 years back in an old age home. After the budget, he came back to me to save the tax. He had invested rupees 1 lakh in a senior citizen saving scheme. I thank Mr. Chidambaram for giving my son back to me.
Thank you, sir. That was really an emotional feeling that you gave to me. Thank you very much. Next, we will meet a girl child who turns out to be the happiest of the lot.
Hello, uncle. How are you?
I am fine, beta. So, how do you feel, beta?
Oh, I feel good. I feel like playing Chupa Chupi.
No, beta. I am asking, how do you feel about the budget?
Oh, yes, my mom told me that our new budget is very good. It has given them an opportunity to save more money for my future. My father is saving rupees 1.80 lakh every year from now on. So when I become rich after 10 years, I will get 20 lakh rupees in my hand and it will be totally tax free. Thank you, Chidambaram uncle.
Thank you, beta. That was very overwhelming. Now, let's take you to some real life examples. We are taking you to the common man. We are showing you some special clippings of the common man, and we are going to show you how it has affected the indirect tax and the common businessman.
खाई के पान बनारस वाला एक टेबल पर सिगरेट लेना एक मिनट रुकिए वैसे तो अरे कौन सा पैसा भाव बढ़ गया वैसे लगता है अफवाह नहीं पढ़ते हो क्या चिदम्बरम ने सिगरेट पे 300% ज्यादा टैक्स बढ़ा दिया है।
सिगरेट छोड़ना पड़ेगा।
अरे भैया वो सिगरेट तो उठाते जाओ।
Okay, next is car salesman and buyer. May I help you, sir?
Can you show me a price at the range of 1 lakh?
Sir, you have a very good budget. Why don't you buy a car instead?
What the car is too costly?
No, sir, it's not costly. You can buy a Tata Nano for only 1.3 lakh rupees. Plus, because of Mr. Chidambaram reducing the excise duty, you get a reduction of around 3,000 rupees and up to rupees 25,000 if you buy a Reva car instead. So you should definitely go for a car.
That's thanks to Mr. Chidambaram. Please look the Tata Nano car for me.
Definitely, sir. Thank you, sir.
अरे
मसाला दूध ले लो, शरबत ले लो, आओ मसाला दूध ले लो,
काजू वाला मला दो जरा.
ले लो साहब. आपको मालूम नहीं चिदम्बरम साहब ने मसाला दूध और शरबत के ऊपर टैक्स कम कर दिया.
Okay, now consumer goods salesman and a young boy's father.
आज मेरे बेटे का जन्मदिन है, ऐसा कोई गिफ्ट दिखाओ जो मैं उसे दे सकूं. कब हुआ?
सर, आप ये मोबाइल फोन, ये MP3 प्लेयर या फिर ये लैपटॉप आपके बच्चे को गिफ्ट कर सकते हैं. बहुत अच्छा गिफ्ट है.
अरे कोई सस्ता अच्छा गिफ्ट.
सर देखिए, मोबाइल फोन पे तो 1% ज्यादा टैक्स लगने लग गया है, तो मोबाइल फोन आपको 1% ज्यादा कॉस्टली पड़ेगा और लैपटॉप आपको 20,000 से कम में तो मिलेगा नहीं. तो मेरे हिसाब से तो आपको आईपॉड बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. आपका ये आईपॉड में सिर्फ 3,000 रुपए में दे सकता हूँ.
अरे लेकिन पिछले हफ्ते आपने इसका दाम 3,300 बताया था.
सर आपको मालूम नहीं, मिस्टर पी चिदम्बरम जी ने 10% रिडक्शन किया है MP3 प्लेयर्स के ऊपर. इसकी वजह से हमने 10% डिस्काउंट दिया है आपको. आप प्लीज लेके जाइए ये MP3 प्लेयर.
बहुत क्या बात है, लगता है मेरे बेटे को ही गिफ्ट देना पड़ेगा.
थैंक यू सर.
अबे डिजाइन नहीं है.
अरे यार, साउंड मार से क्यों बंद कर? नॉक नॉक.
कौन है?
मैम, केबल वाला आपका इस महीने का बिल लेके आया हूँ.
क्या तुमको भी लेबर को पैसे देने के अलावा कुछ काम नहीं है? ये लो, जाओ यहाँ से.
अरे मैम रुकिए, तो आपका 30 रुपए तो लेके जाइए.
ये किस लिए? पहले से ही चैनल काम है, फिर क्या डीडी मैटो दिखा के मारोगे हम लोगों को?
नहीं मैम, हम तो आपको सारे चैनल दिखाएंगे. आपको पता नहीं क्या, सर्विस टैक्स एग्जेम्पशन लिमिट बढ़ गया है. 8 लाख से 10 लाख रुपए हो गया है. इसकी वजह से हमें और सर्विस टैक्स भरने की जरूरत नहीं है. इसलिए हम आपको वो कम करके दे रहे हैं. तो केबल का भाव गिर गया.
वाह, क्या बात है. थैंक यू चिदम्बरम जी.
अब बैठ के सामने से
So finally the conclusion is, as you saw, the common man and the common woman are very happy. Definitely happier than ever. Well, the elections are nearing, and according to me, it's a way to lure the middle class, as they generally don't vote. So it's a way to lure the middle class into voting. Secondly, you won't be sad this time, or you won't frown if you get a girl child in your home, if you get a girl child coming in your family, because now a girl child has become a tax saving Lakshmi for us. Also, the old parents can look forward to come back to their own homes. Their sons won't be throwing them out anymore, because now their sons can save a lot of tax by putting the money in for their insurance scheme for their parents. Also planning to buy a new car, so this is the best time. And yes, Mr. Chidambaram is taking cigarettes very seriously, and that's why next time you think of buying a cigarette, think about your pocket. Finally, I can conclude by saying that the budget is very good for the common man. We are being lured by the FM to spend more and to invest more. So go ahead and enjoy this windfall. Thank you.